IMI critical engineering, and talk about being critical. You're critical about being safe and making sure that people are safe and the environment is safe. And you brought something very interesting to the fair, and this talking about safety. What exactly is it?
Yeah, safety valve. So again, we are here to convey a strong message to the exhibition, which is we are trying to reposition IMI Bober-Reuter brands to be not just an outstanding provider of valve for the power plant, but also for the safety market, for the safety valves. A strong slogan, I would say, that we really summarize this concept is safety with no compromise since 1872. We put in the market something like 400,000 valves, installed 400,000 valves, with no complaint. Customers are super happy with us. And this is no compromise, so we are not compromise quality. We are talking about safety in this case. So this is the first message that IMI Critical Engineering here within Bober-Reuter, with all the brands, are trying to convey to this audience.
And without compromise, also concerning oil and gas valves, what did you bring here to the fair concerning those topics?
We have, if you visit our booth, you will see different corners. Okay, we have one corner for oil and gas also, where we show mainly three products. One is a production choke valve, one is a control valve, one under DMT, multi-trim, multi-stage, one is in a HIP system. Three products that are serving different applications. We are mainly for upstream, but which are tremendously important for the market.
And why is it important to be here at the Valve World Expo?
You need to be here in order to learn from peers, from your colleague. You need to be here to present to your customer, to be able to present to your customer what you have in your portfolio. You need to put some passion on what you're doing. And I think all of us, what I found in IMI Critical Engineering is the passion. So everybody's putting passion on what they are doing. And I think we are doing a really good job. So please come visit us in our booth and you will see.
IMI Critical Engineering, working with a passion on solutions for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.